Need clean, precise cuts without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down 7 affordable plasma cutters for different projects and budgets. Updated purchase links are in the description. Starting our list at number 7 is the Latos, a practical 55-amp plasma cutter that gives home users and small workshop owners plenty of flexibility without moving into professional-level pricing. One of its biggest advantages is the dual-voltage design. You can connect it to a regular 110-volt outlet for lighter repairs, then switch to 220 volts when you need stronger performance for thicker material. The non-touch Pilot Arc is especially useful when working with rusty, painted, or uneven metal, because the torch can start cutting without making direct contact with the surface. That means smoother starts, fewer interruptions, and less unnecessary wear on the consumables. Latos rates it for clean cuts up to 1/2 inch, and severance cuts up to 3/4 inch, making it suitable for steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. The digital control panel also keeps the important settings easy to see, including amperage and air pressure, while adjustable post-flow cooling can help extend nozzle life. Setup is fairly straightforward thanks to the pre-installed air regulator and included quick connector, although you will still need a compatible air compressor. At around $260, the LOP 55D is not the cheapest option here, but its useful controls, solid cutting capacity, and ability to handle rough metal earn it 7th place. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Moving into 6th place, the YesWelder Plus is built for users who want more cutting power and flexibility without stepping up to an oversized professional machine. Its 65-amp output and dual-voltage design let you run it from either 110 or 220 volts, so it can handle lighter garage work at home while still giving you extra performance when a stronger outlet is available. What really separates this model from a basic cutter is its 4 operating functions. Along with standard plate cutting, it offers dedicated settings for metal grids, surface marking, and gouging, making it useful for fabrication, repair work, removing old welds, or preparing material for a new joint. The non-touch Pilot Arc can ignite without placing the nozzle directly against the metal, which is especially helpful on rusty, painted, expanded, or uneven surfaces. You also get a large digital control panel that keeps amperage and air pressure visible at a glance, plus adjustable post-flow and 2T or 4T trigger modes for better comfort during longer cuts. Because it uses non-high frequency starting, it should create less electrical interference around nearby electronics. You will need a suitable external air compressor, and the extra controls may take beginners a little time to explore. Still, at around $310, this is a versatile choice for serious home workshops, automotive repairs, and small fabrication jobs, earning its position through stronger output and genuinely useful cutting modes. Taking the 5th spot is the Andeli Max, a 65-amp plasma cutter aimed at users who want workshop-level versatility without committing to a much more expensive industrial setup. Its dual-voltage design works with both 110 and 220 volts, making it convenient for home garages while still unlocking stronger cutting performance when the right outlet is available. The non-touch Pilot Arc helps you start cleanly on rusty, painted, or uneven metal without pressing the torch directly against the surface, which can reduce consumable wear and make awkward jobs far less frustrating. A large 4.05-inch display keeps air pressure, voltage, and amperage visible at the same time, so adjusting the machine feels more straightforward, especially for less experienced users. It also includes 2T and 4T trigger modes, with 4T being particularly useful during longer cuts because you do not need to hold the trigger continuously. CNC compatibility adds room to grow for anyone planning automated or repeatable projects, while its marking, grid cutting, and gouging capabilities give it more uses than a basic cutter. The included accessories are another welcome bonus, although you will still need an external air compressor. At roughly $330, it is best suited to serious DIY builders, automotive work, metal fabrication, and small production tasks, earning 5th place for combining useful controls, strong output, and future-ready functionality. At number 4, the Flaring takes a simpler, more affordable approach, making it an appealing option for beginners, occasional users, or anyone building a home workshop on a tight budget. Despite costing around $136, it delivers up to 65 amps and automatically works with either 120 or 240 volts. That means you can use a standard household connection for smaller tasks, then move to 240 volts when you need cleaner results on heavier material. It is rated for clean cuts up to 1/2 inch and maximum severance cuts close to 4/5 of an inch, giving it enough capability for automotive panels, steel brackets, gates, exhaust work, and general repairs. At only about 8.4 pounds, it is also noticeably easy to carry, whether you're moving around the garage or taking it to another job site. The straightforward control panel keeps operation approachable, while the included adapter and consumable set help reduce the number of extras you need to purchase immediately. Its touch arc design does require the torch to contact the metal when starting, so it may be less convenient on heavily rusted or painted surfaces than a Pilot Arc model. Even so, the combination of useful cutting power, dual voltage flexibility, low weight, and a genuinely accessible price makes the Flaring FC650D one of the strongest value-focused choices in this ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3 is the YesWelder Pro, a balanced choice for people who care more about clean, controlled results than simply chasing the highest amperage. This 55-amp machine automatically supports both 110 and 220 volts, so it fits naturally into a home garage while still offering stronger performance when a higher voltage outlet is available. Its non-touch Pilot Arc is a major convenience during restoration work, since you can begin cutting rusty, painted, or uneven metal without dragging the nozzle across the surface. That makes projects like removing damaged body panels, trimming steel plate, repairing trailers, or fabricating brackets feel quicker and less frustrating. The large digital screen clearly shows amperage, voltage, and air pressure, helping you spot an incorrect setting before it ruins a cut or wastes material. You can also adjust the post-flow cooling time, which protects the torch after use and may help consumables last longer. The 2T mode works well for short, precise cuts, while 4T reduces hand fatigue when following longer lines. Because it uses non-high frequency starting, it is also less likely to interfere with nearby electronics. An external compressor is still required, and heavier industrial work may call for more power. However, at around $250, the Cut 55 DS Pro earns third place by offering an approachable interface, useful flexibility, and dependable features for regular workshop projects. Coming in at number 2, the ArcCaptain iControl Cut 55 Pro is a smart option for users who want modern controls without making the cutting process more complicated than it needs to be. Its standout feature is Mobile App Control, which lets you adjust parameters, monitor the machine, save preferred settings, and check its status from several feet away. That may sound like a luxury, but it becomes genuinely useful when the cutter is positioned under a workbench or beside a large sheet of metal. The 55-amp output works with both 120 and 240 volts, giving you the freedom to handle quick garage repairs or move to higher voltage for more demanding work. ArcCaptain lists a clean cutting capacity of around ½ an inch, with a maximum cut of 3/4 of an inch. The non-touch Pilot Arc also makes it easier to work through rust, paint, and dirty surfaces, while reducing direct contact between the torch and the material. A large display keeps the main settings visible, and the 2T and 4T modes help with both shortcuts and longer passes. You will still need an external air compressor, and some buyers may rarely use the app. Even so, at about $280, this model earns second place by combining practical power, convenient remote control, and an interface that feels welcoming to beginners without limiting more experienced users. And taking the number 1 spot is the ArcCaptain Cut 50, a straightforward plasma cutter that delivers the kind of everyday performance most home users actually need, without adding expensive features they may never use. At around $180, it sits in a very attractive price range for beginners, weekend fabricators, mechanics, and anyone who wants a reliable machine for repairs, custom brackets, automotive panels, gates, or general steel projects. Its dual voltage setup means you can plug it into a standard 110-volt outlet for lighter work or use 220 volts when you need more consistent power. The digital display keeps the main settings clear, so adjusting amperage and checking operating information feels simple rather than intimidating. It also includes 2T and 4T modes, letting you choose quick trigger control for shortcuts or a more comfortable setup for longer passes. With up to 50 amps available, it is well suited to the metal thicknesses commonly found in home workshops, and the compact body with a built-in handle makes it easy to store or carry between jobs. Keep in mind that it uses a contact start torch, so heavily painted or rusty surfaces may require a little preparation. Even with that limitation, the Cut 50 takes first place because it offers the strongest overall balance of price, portability, ease of use, and useful cutting power for the widest range of buyers.